see on the TV.
Hey!
Welcome to our 𝐕𝐂𝐍𝐂 apartment here, and I would like to show you our apartment. Are you interested?
I am interesting.
No, sorry. Are you interested?
I'm interested.
Let's go. So first, I will show you our kitchen area, and this is our door here. And they have a digital lock here. It's nice. The first thing first is the washer. So washer is very good for me, and they have those water boiler cooking stuff, you know. And small fish is enough for us for 10 days. And the water, a place to store the water. Water is about 35 peso. You can get them by the number, they can deliver it for you. And this is a rice cooker here. It's a Korean rice cooker. As I know, the owner is Korean, so everything here is almost Korean style. and that is, you know that, right? Microwave, I don't need to tell you that. And this is our workstation here. So both, you have two tables we can work, and this is the fan. So they have fan for us here. And big TV, which is come with the Netflix. It's very nice. And they have this, I don't know, you know what? I'm not sure this is a mosquito repellent or what, but it's Korean.
That's mosquitoes.
Yeah, it's a Korean name thing. And some, well, the next one is I want to show you toilet, a bathroom. Oh, I forget to tell you, this is an intercom, can direct talk to the receptionist in the counter here. And that is our bathroom. It's very strong water. And have hot water, and they have a water heater here, so which is the sink also have the hot and the cold water with this hair dryer. It's very nice.
And AC.
Oh, AC. This is a good AC. It's not that noisy AC. So now is balcony. Let you see first. So this is our balcony. It's nice. Have some bridge out. I will show you the view here. With another tile is so beautiful, so green this side here. And on the other side, that side, it will be a very modern city. It's because this place is a business park, so it's very modern, very beautiful. And that is our apartment here. Oh, by the way, I forget to show you there's two beds. There's one here and one here. So it's good for me. Sometimes, you know, we can sleep here or we can sleep here. So
or you can, if you get in a fight, you can do the Ricky Lucy.
Well, that is our apartment here.
Yeah.
And it's about $27 a night, right?
Yeah, including everything, but it's short term. If you stayed long term, you get a better discount, or you probably would even get lower by finding a more localized place if your budget's tight.
Yeah. I mean, it's a great place for you arrive in the new city.
Yes.
And then you can start to explore yourself because they have everything here. Oh, they have gym. Very nice gym.
Oh yeah, gym.
And also swimming pool, you will see on the, you know, we do
an amazing area. This area is like BGC sort of. If you're familiar with that in the Philippines.
And surrounding here, they have also a clinic, you know.
Yeah, they have everything here. Grocery stores, they have hospitals. It's an amazing city, very clean. It's like a BGC that's not too crowded.
Yeah. This is our gym place in Iloilo City. It's a pretty decent size of the gyms here. You have a bicycle, and then this, I don't know what's that. And this for the leg, I know, that's for your arm, I think. And this is running thing. It's a quite good, decent size of the gyms here.
So that's where we're staying there. That's our condo. And this part of town is called Mega World. This is behind us, or behind where I was just standing. And a lot of these are call centers and stuff. And in front of us is Korean town, along with the Malaysian girl, very tall. It's very charming, as you can see. This area used to be the airport. And then they built another international airport. And then this area they built out like a big modern community. So that's Korean town up there, that arch you see.
That is called K-Town.
K-Town.
Yeah, I saw it.
K-Town, you've probably heard of K-pop. All the rage around the world right now. Well, Korean food is the rage, Korean music. You don't know about Korean stuff? Get it together, man. There it is, K-Town. And there's all these benches out here where you can buy your food cart food. And this is not really, honestly, a very local kind of area. This is touristy, high-end call center stuff. It's still not bad. Look at that, $3 for chicken, rice, and French fries. Oh yeah, they have Malaysian food here. These are pretty good prices here. $2 for a meal, $2.20. And that meal was less than $2. Oh, and then they have smoothies and stuff. Oh, pretty. How are you? So you just buy your food and you go eat it on one of these benches here. There's a bunch of them here. At night, all these lanterns over the walking street are lit up. It's kind of cool.
They have a very nice street art around here.
Yeah. Oh, that has a Spanish flair to it. Señorita.
Apple vinegar.
I get the big one?
Hey, well, one enough. Why you take two? You think we are rich?
We're very, very rich. We can afford
Hey, three.
Three candies. Ricola.
It's 82 pesos.
Oh, it's so sad.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and comment because it really does help. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening time or whatever time it is for you. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.